Now, you're a dentist. Of course, you think the smile's important. How important is it?
Randy, you look at any survey of what people are looking for in a mate, and almost always smile is going to show up number one. Maybe eyes does, but smile and eyes are going to be 1 and 2 right there.
Okay.
And so that's the first thing that a lot of people see when you're thinking memories of your grandparents. You remember Grandma's smile, those happy times. And so it's not for everybody, but if you don't like your smile, you can do something about it. I mean, we live in the 21st century where the possibilities, all the doors are open for you. And so if that's holding you back, then you need to go see a dentist that can treat those types of issues for you.
Okay.
And let's get you there.
Now, we talked about this, that people with bad teeth, like in Hollywood, in movies, if you want to make somebody look poor, like you said,
you take a front tooth out.
Okay. If you want to make, you give them bad teeth, right? If you want to make somebody look poor or dirty or a street person, give them bad teeth.
Right.
Same thing with a villain. They're always darkening their teeth.
Right. Yeah.
Right.
So here's another good example, Randy. You have 2 twin sisters. They both have the same gap in between their front teeth, right? One's comfortable with it, the other's not. So one's smiling, one's not at a job interview. You're the employer. Who are you going to hire? You're going to hire the one that's
looks
bright
happy,
and looks happy,
point.
and so again, the aesthetics, the appearance is subjective. And so if you have something that's bothering you, it's coming across in your body language, and it may not bother someone else, and if their body language can accommodate that, then that's fine. That's great for them. So not everyone needs cosmetic dentistry. But if it's bothering you, it's holding you back. It's keeping you from experiencing things in life that you might not even be aware of entirely yet. So let me tell you about some of the things that I've observed as a dentist. People whose smiles I've changed, their whole lives changed. They're dating again. They're going out with friends. They're taking selfies. I can't tell you how many patients I have that have said, I don't want you to take pictures of me in the office. And when we're all said and done, and now they have a smile they're proud of, they're taking selfies in my chair. And at some point I have to tell them, put the phone away. We got to do some work here, which is wonderful. We love that, and we laugh about it because it's, it opens these people up.
Do people do this for occasions, like fix their teeth, like they're getting married, daughter's getting married?
Oh, yeah. A lot of times that's sort of the precipitating event that'll bring someone in where they say, I'm on a time budget. I need this done by April 14th, and that's that. And so we can work within that. Sometimes, depending on how tight the time budget, it might give us some restrictions. A lot of times, that's what brings someone in to come see us, and we'll get you a photo ready for whatever your event is. But if there's an event that's further out on the horizon, the sooner we see you, the more doors we can open up for you in terms of possibilities to get you to the outcome that you're going to be most proud of.